which builds the world universe. Physical substance are composed of matter. So every physical environment such as bed, chair, iPhones, smartphones in the screen you are seeing is composed of matter. Matter is composed of elements, and the metals are composed of elements, and the element is composed of a small particle known as atom. Atoms are the smallest distinct part of the element. Every element such as hydrogen, carbon or gold is composed of just one type of atom. Every compound, carbon or gold, everything is composed of only one type of atom. So it is a model of atom. Here is positively charged and negatively charged particles or neutral charged particles. It is a Bohr's atomic model of nitrogen atom, and it is electronic orbits, and they are electrons, the negatively charged particles, and here are the positively charged particles, which are named as protons, and this minus symbol is representing electrons, and the neutrons are this green type particle which is neutral in charge. They have no positively charged or no negative. You all would know about Maharishi Kenneth. He was a brilliant scientist, not scientist, he is a rishi sage. On ancient rishi first conceived the idea that the matter consists of individual unit and cannot be further divided into smallest particle. The smallest particles, i.e. atom, prevented the entire universe. It could be destroyed and retains its original form under all situations. Or rishis discovered that the concept on spiritual content, while Kenneth was the first to give clear picture about the concept. Philosophers and thinkers from the later period developed detailed theory on the atom combined. So now we are saying the atom as atom, but before when the Maharishi Kenneth has discovered the smallest particles of a matter, they called it as Anu. You can search in internet that Anu. What do you mean by Anu? Then later he discovered that Anu is being created by more smaller particles than Anu. Then he named as Permanu. It is Permanu, which is being created. Sorry, Anu is being created by smallest particle known as Permanu, and the Anu is created by Permanu, and the Permanu is not divided anymore. I hope you understand. So Maharishi Kenneth penned his explanation on the atomic theory of matter in the book in Sanskrit called Vaishnavi Shastra. It is a Sanskrit book, also termed Kenneth Sutras. It is also known as Kenneth Sutras. This book is a blend of science, philosophy, and religion. Means he had discovered the full atomic theory in that book, which is in Sanskrit known as Vaishnavi Shastra, which is also known as Kenneth Sutra. Sutra is a Sanskrit word. This book is a blend of science. This book is blend of science, philosophy, and religion. He propounded the atomic theory in the lines of concept of atoman, souls, moksha means liberation, means of the cycle of birth or death. He applied logic and realism to explain his theory. He used many steps. While Kenneth lived during 1600 BC, means before 600 BC, before Christ. Actual date is not available, but he is believed that the between 6th century to 2nd century. So this is an image of atomic model of the Maharishi Kenneth, and it is also he is known as the father of atomic theory. Later it was discovered in Greek. Democratic believed that atoms were uniform, solid, hard, incompressible, and indestructible, and that they moved in infinite number through empty space until stopped. Difference in atomic shape or size determined the various properties of matter. So the simple meaning is that the atomic philosophy of the early Greek. It is the atomic philosophy of the earlier Greek. Means from this Greek, the earlier Greek, democratics means the scientist believed that the atom were uniform. The atoms cannot be divided, solid, or incompressible, indestructible. Means they can do anything ever. You all know that the atom is a molecule which cannot be destroyed or being created in a molecular atom, a physical or chemical change. So this is Dalton's atomic model. You can read it. And this is John Dalton biography. So the postulates of all the matter about the Bohr's atom, all matters consist of invisible particles called atoms. Means all matter, everything around us consists of invisible, means undividable particles. They are known as atoms. Atoms of the some elements are similar in shape and mass. Means atoms of same element, means one element such as hydrogen, the atom of the hydrogen have the similar shape and similar mass, but different from the atom of other element. Means suppose one hydrogen and one carbon. These two are elements, and the elements of hydrogen and the elements of carbon are different, but the elements of hydrogen and another element of an atom of hydrogen and another atom of hydrogen is same. This is the second point. And the third point is atom cannot be created or destroyed. As I said, atoms cannot be created nor destroyed. Atoms of different elements may combine with each other in a fixed simple whole number ratios to form compound atoms. This means that atom of different elements, such as again take carbon and hydrogen. These are if different elements may combine with each other, they combine with each other in a fixed simple whole number ratio to form a compound element, as we know as a compound atom. For example, you take carbon plus oxygen, CO2, Carbon plus oxygen is equal to carbon dioxide. It is a compound. You understand? Atoms of same elements can combine in more than one ratio to form two or more compounds. The atom is the smallest unit of matter that can take part in a chemical reaction. So next is the J.J. Thomson's model of the atom. It is composed of electrons surrounded by a super positively charged to balance the electrons negative charge, like negatively charged plum surrounded by positively charged pudding. So the next is the discovery of the electron. The electrons was discovered in 1896. So the electrons was discovered in 1896 by the British physicist. He was a British physicist known as J.J. Thomson, using a cathode ray while doing discharge the experiment. When he was discovering a experiment by discharge tube, he has find a cathode ray which he named as the British cathode ray. Thomson also determined EM ratio of the charge to the mass of the material particles to a constant rate. So the next is discovery of protons. The nucleus of an atom was discovered by Ernest Rutherford in the year 1911. In his famous gold foil experiment, he concluded that all the positively charged particles in an atom were concentrated in the singular core and that most of the atom's volume was empty. So this is the atomic number. What do you mean by atomic number or protons? The atomic number is very simple. It is denoted with the symbol Z of a chemical compound means serial numbers. I will show you a image. First we will study about mass number, then I will say what do you mean by atomic number. Okay, mass number is an integer of whole number equal to the sum of numbers of protons, neutrons of an atomic nucleus. In other words, it is the sum of the number of nucleus in an atom. So the mass number is the sum of the number of nucleus in an atom. Hope you understand. As I say, symbol name is hydrogen, its atomic number is 1 and its mass number is also 1. How I will say you, the number of neutrons is 0, protons plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 is a simple, so it is 1 plus 1. So you study this diagram. So first see this diagram. Hydrogen atomic number is 1, atomic mass is 1.0079, helium atomic number 2, 4.0026, lithium 3. So you can see atomic number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means the serial number. It is the serial number. The lithium is 6.941, beryllium is 9.0122, boron 10.811, carbon 12.0107, nitrogen 14.0067, oxygen 15.9994, fluorine is 18.9984, neon 20.1797, sodium is 22.9897, magnesium is 24.305, aluminium is 26.9815, silicon is 28.0855, phosphorus is 30.97 by 38, sulfur is 32.065, chlorine is 35.453, argon is 39.0983, potassium is 39.948, calcium is 40.078. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.